well-developed soils typically exhibit distinct layers in soil profile. So the question is not what is soil profile. The question is not what are the layers of the horizons. They पूछ रहे हैं, elaborate the idea that well-developed soils typically have distinct layers. So you should have discussed how time is a factor, how soil maturity is a factor, soil profile formations are related to leaching processes that take time. Soil profile is best in soils which have a thickness which is considerable. उससे link करके आप बताते that soil profile are related to well-developed soils. And then you could have mentioned that younger soils like inceptive soils or anti-soils don't have a good profile. Young soils and transported soils, alluvial soils, the lithosols, they will not have good profiles. तो वो important part था, and maybe an example आप दे देते, soil profile of a mature soil like podzol and soil profile of a mature soil like maybe latosol or maybe vertisol, black cotton soil, which have inverted soil profile. So ये discussion था. So my again fear is many of you wrote about soil horizon and you have not paid enough importance to the word or phrase well-developed soils.